Plus, we have our CMO that we share, Mr. Bill, that we both work with.
Yep.
I call him my CEO, my Chief Marketing Officer.
Chief Marketing Officer. Yep.
Right.
Yep.
And so,
Yeah.
look, that's like 7 people, right? And most everybody is remote. And so you can leverage your dollar by working with these team members, and they can help you really, really grow your business. And so
I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, what you're saying is so right. And, I'm so glad you took upon this. I started doing Go High Level 3 years back, as you know. Ken Walls introduced me, 3.5 Walter introduced me, and I adopted it because I was paying thousands of dollars at Kajabi and ClickFunnels and all these different things, and all these CRMs and all that. So I'm a live example. I have 11,000 contacts while I sleep. All these channels of different social channels, people click on it and they come into the fold, get my lead magnets, we call it lead magnets, different reports and things. They want to join my premium investor club. I raised $700,000. People who just came through social media, they didn't know me from Adam, then they started following me, and just in 7-10 days, they saw so many of my videos that they have invested in my deal. It's a 506C, accredited investors deal, $700,000. And I have 4 meetings today from the webinar, close to 600,000 again investments. One person trying to invest 300,000. So what is the ROI? Return on investment is huge, because this is fabulous. I'm so glad we are talking about it because, yeah.
It's also, we talk about ROI, return on investment, but also we got to talk about ROT, return on time. These automations.
Yes.
Let's dive into this here. I have a couple points to pull out here on my notes here.
Please.
You're gonna easily say goodbye to 5 to 10 different tools, right? And that's what we're just talking about. You're gonna get rid of your Calendly. You're gonna get rid of your Kajabi, your Teachable, your PipeDrive, your HubSpot, your Twilio, your WordPress, your ClickFunnels. This is all can be done on this robust.
Insight.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
There's
yes.
extremely powerful automations. You can build complex workflows and visual automations, trigger SMS, which is text, email, voicemail drops, or Facebook Messenger from one automation. Auto respond to leads, qualify them, and book calls hands-free. Lead capture and nurture. Pre-built funnel and website templates, custom surveys, quizzes, intake forms, automated follow-up systems, SMS, email, and voicemail. Booking calendar, CRM built for conversion,